So hey guys, so this is a case study of one of our clients for whom we have been trying to fight AI content because what they did was keep on publishing AI content on automation basis. So that's what led them to the downfall of the website. So we took over somewhere around on maybe November after they had published like hundreds of contents and that to all AI. So first, it was a massive challenge because this website itself is a very huge trekking company's website, and they had been generating lots of impressions, as you could see. So what we did, we kept on trying. The first thing, we kept on trying and trying. We experimented with lots of stuffs. We de-indexed thousands of pages. We rewrote all contents. We made them human friendly, human written form, and we kept on doing it and doing it and doing it. And once there was a threshold where we somehow exceeded the amount of human written contents compared to AI contents, and after a continuous effort, after continuous rework, re-engineering on every aspect of SEO, we were finally able to get some good results after this. So as you can see, the impressions and clicks are going on, and I would say you could be seeing a gap in click-through rates once we kept on getting progress. This was all because we had all our pages starting from scratch. There are thousands of pages, as I mentioned, and that led us a very huge gap in this click-through rate. But still, it's going good. It's going good. It's going good and good. And the interesting thing is, if you could see the countries, the majority of traffic and impressions are coming from United States, which is a big market for companies, trekking companies in Nepal, because that's where most of the people come. So if you could see or have a look at the impressions, the millions plus is already there. And if you also look after that, the Nepal, it's obviously going to be there because that's our local target market. And after that, we have been targeting India, UK, Canada, Australia. And if you see, there's already good impressions, there's already good clicks. And how we do this, we basically go over to some of the data. So if you could see the data over here, top 10 sources market countries for trekking, most of the people come to Nepal. It's from India, USA. This is the data from 2024, and our target market was these countries that were on the top of the chart from which most of the trekkers came to Nepal. So that's how we did. We targeted the countries that had the most trekkers come to Nepal, and that was done through some of the international SEO practices, and the result is going good, and you can see the progress. Even the click-through rate is pretty less. Yeah, it is there, but this is a trekking industry which is by far the most competitive industry when it comes to international SEO. But yeah, they've been generating good amount of leads once again. The traffic is back. Even the CTR, it'll take a while because this website has been revived. This website, since it was a very mess, all because of AI contents, now it is getting back to where it was before. The CTR will eventually get there. So the countries, you could see they are there, and if you look at the search appearances, there are some good translated results. That means for the key queries where people search on other languages, multilingual languages, the Google has been able to recommend our website through a translated results. So this is one of the another case study that we did for one of our clients, and a successful recovery after AI fallout. So cheers.